Hello children, welcome back to the channel. Now 10th class maths, tangents and secants to a circle. In that, this is exercise 9.2. 9.2. In this exercise 9.2, second sum, first sum already I have done in the previous class. So second sum, two concentric circles of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters are drawn. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So you have got two concentric circles. Already I have explained to you children. Concentric circles means the circles which have same center are concentric circles. Two concentric circles of radii 5 and 6, 3 centimeters. So the bigger one is having 5 centimeters radius and smaller one is having 3 centimeters radius. And find the length of the chord. So let us draw a chord like this. This is AB. AB is the chord. P is the point of contact, and let me call this O. OP is the radius of the smaller circle, that is 3 centimeters, and if I join like this, I am getting two triangles. OB and OA are nothing but 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters because they are the radii of bigger circle. So now let me take in triangle APO. In triangle APO, angle P is 90 degrees. Why is angle P 90 degrees? Because tangent is perpendicular to radius. So this is tangent. Why are we calling tangent? Because this is a circle and it is intersecting the circle at one point. So it is a tangent. Angle P is 90 degrees. So what you can say? AO square is equal to OP square plus AP square basing on Pythagorean theorem. That means what we want? We want AP. So AP square is equal to AO square minus OP square. So that means how much children? AO square. AO square is 5 square minus OP square is 3 square. 5 square minus 3 square. So 5 square minus 3 square can be written as 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square is, that is 8 into 2, 16. So AP square is equal to 16. This is AP square, no? AP square is 16. So what is AP? Root 16, that is 4. When AP is 4, what is AB? AB is 2 times of AP, because in the theorem we have already learned that if a perpendicular is drawn, this will bisect AB. Already we have studied in a theorem. So AB you will be getting when you multiply AP 2 times. That is 2 into 4, that is 8. So AP is equal to 8 centimeters. What is this AP? AB is equal to 8 centimeters and AB is the length of the chord. Therefore, the length of the chord is equal to 8 centimeters. This is the answer, children. Please note it down. Now the next one is prove that A parallelogram circumscribing the circle is a rhombus. Parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Suppose you have got a circle like this, and this is considered as A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. You need to prove that uh, this parallelogram is a rhombus. Here, this the sides they are intersecting the circle at D, E, F, G. So, what is given to us? A circle with center O, and ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD uh, intersects the circle at D, E, F, G. Those points it is intersecting. What is RTP? We need to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. This you have to prove. Now let us see the proof. Proof is, we know that ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to CD. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now, what is AD? AD is nothing but AG plus DG. And what is BC? BC is nothing but BE plus CE. Suppose you are adding AD plus BC. That means what you are getting? AG plus DG, AG plus DG plus BE plus CE. So, what is AG? AG can be written as AD. AG and AD are same because they are tangents from the external point to the circle. They are always equal. And what is DG? DG means DF plus. What is BE? BE means BD plus. What is CE? CE means CF. So here if I make combinations like AD plus BD plus DF plus CF, what am I getting? AD plus DB is AB plus DF plus FC is CD. That means AD plus BC is equal to AB plus CD. Okay, what does this implies? I can write AD plus AD is equal to AB plus AB I can write. Why is it? Because I said AD is equal to BC. So in the place of BC I am writing AD. AB is equal to CD. In the place of CD I am writing AB. That means what are you getting? 2 times of AD is equal to 2 times of AB. So this will get cancelled. AD is equal to AB. That means what, children? You have proved that the adjacent sides are equal. So if in a parallelogram the adjacent sides are equal, it becomes a rhombus. This is a property, children. Therefore, we will be saying that ABCD is a rhombus. This is the proof, children. Please note it down. Now let us see fourth problem, children. Triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeters. This radius is 3 centimeters, such that the segments BD and CD, to which BC is divided by the point D, are of length 9 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. Find the lengths of AB and AC. So in this case, if this is 3 centimeters, even this is also 3 centimeters. And if this is 3 centimeters, this is also 3 centimeters. So let me call this as E. I can say that ODCE is a square. Therefore, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. That means triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Now, when BD, let me call this as E and this point as F. When BD is equal to BF, these are tangents. This is the theorem which we have proved. Tangents drawn from an external circle to the external point to the circle are equal. That is equal to, therefore, what is BF? BF is equal to 9 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, EC is also equal to DC, that is 3 centimeters. Already I have written here. Now let AF is equal to X centimeters. You consider AX as X centimeters. This implies AE is also X centimeters. Okay, now you have got triangles. Now we know that in triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degrees. Just now we have proved it. Therefore, what you can say, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square basing on Pythagorean theorem. So, what is AB? AB is 9 plus x whole square is equal to AC square, that is 3 plus x whole square, plus BC, that is 9 plus 3 whole square. That means 9 plus x whole square is equal to 3 plus x whole square plus 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 square. So it is a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Similarly, this is also a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square plus 144. 12 12s are 144. This is 81 plus 18x plus x square is equal to 9 plus 3 2s are 6, 6x plus x square plus 144. So you can cancel these two x squares. So 81 plus 18x is equal to 144 plus 9, 153. Isn't it? 9 plus 1, 10, 3, 13, 153 plus 6x. That means 18x minus 6x is equal to 153 minus 81. This is 12x is equal to 153 minus 81, 2 here and 7, 7, 3, 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. We can say or 15 minus 8 is 7. So I am getting 72. X is equal to 72 by 12. 12 6 are 72, no? 6. So x is a 6. So what is AB? 9 plus x, 9 plus 6, 15 centimeters. And what is AC? 3 plus x, 3 plus 6, 9 centimeters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is important to some children. Now the next one is construction, children. Here, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters and from a point 10 centimeters away from the center of the center, construct a pair of tangents to the circle and measure the lengths. Also verify the measurements of actual by actual 1 minute. Also actual by calculation. I wrote division. Sorry, children. Actual measurement by actual calculation. By actual calculation, you have to measure. So, see, children, here I can't take that much measures and do it. I am drawing a freehand figure here, but how whatever I am explaining in that way, if you do it in your notebook by taking the measures and by using the instruments, you will get exactly the same. First, what you have to do, you have to draw a circle which is measuring 6 centimeters radius. By taking 6 centimeters as radius, you have to draw a circle. After drawing the circle, what you need to do is from O, by keeping the scale 10 centimeters, you have to measure and you take a point P. This is a point P which you have taken at 10 centimeters and then you have to join O and P. After joining O and P, you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of it. How? With the help of compass, more than half of it, one arc here, one arc here. Without disturbing it, here. P as a center, one arc. Already I have told you, children, earlier. So like this, you'll be getting two arcs. Now, when you join, okay, two arcs, you will be getting. When you join two arcs, you are getting a perpendicular bisector with M as the center. Now M as a center, OM as a radius, you have to draw a circle like this. The circle goes on in this way. Like this, you will be getting a circle. Please do it by using instruments, children. Now, the points where, let me call it as uh, Q and R. These are the points where this circle is intersecting. Now, if you join PQ and PR, if you join like this, you are getting two tangents, PQ, and this is the construction that you have done. Now here, since it is a problem, you need not write the steps because further you have got the other ways of, other way of measurements and all are given. So it's not not only a construction, but it is also considered as a problem. So let us do the next part. The next part is what you have to do. You have to measure PQ by using the scale. You measure the PQ. You are going to get PQ. You are going to get PQ as a sum measure. After getting PQ, now they are asking to go for measurement by actual calculation. How do you go for actual calculation? You have to join O and Q. If you join O and Q, we know that in triangle POQ, angle Q is 90 degrees because tangent is perpendicular to radius. So if it is 90 degrees, see this is radius. Radius is how much? 6 centimeters. And this distance is 10 centimeters. So we know that OP square is equal to PQ square plus OQ square by using Pythagorean theorem. So we want what? We want PQ square. PQ square is equal to OP square minus OQ square. What is OP? OP is 10 square minus OQ is 6 square. That means 10 plus 6 into 10 minus 6. That is 16 into 4. So what is PQ? Root of 16 into 4. So root of 16 into 4 can be written as root of 4 into 4 into 2 into 2. 16 can be written as 4 into 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Instead of 2 fours, 1 4 will out. Instead of 2 twos, 1 2 will out. This is 8. Therefore, PQ is equal to 8 centimeters. So actually, when you measure it by scale, you will be getting its value as 8 centimeters only, children. So the measure of PQ is 8 centimeters, calculated by using actual calculation, he said you have done, and also you have measured the length by using the scale. If you keep the scale like this, you will be getting the measure, and that measure is also 8 centimeters you will be getting. So this is the solution for this problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be teaching the next problems.